guys, this is Liquid Ocelot, and today I'm going to be showing you how to automatically post your YouTube videos on Facebook. So for this guys, you need a Facebook page dedicated to your YouTube channel or any other Facebook page that you might have. So what we are going to do, we are going to use this website called Ifttt. Now you can hover over this website to ifttt.com, if this then that. Now I am on the main page here guys. So what I'm going to do is go to YouTube, click it, and here I have option. So what I'm going to do is this option I have, automatically share your new videos to a Facebook page. I'm going to click it. It's by Google. They made this applet for Ifttt themselves. So I'll click it, and once I have clicked this, what I'm going to do is just they will ask me to authenticate my YouTube channel and then my Facebook page information authentication they will take as well. Once all of this is done, I'll just use this connect to connect this applet. So this will automatically post all your YouTube videos onto your Facebook page. I hope you liked and enjoyed this short tutorial, my friends. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Take care.